Why do your knuckles make that loud cracking sound? Many people think it's their bones snapping together, which is why it sounds so dramatic. But that's actually a myth. So what's really happening inside your fingers? I'll explain. But first, if you've ever cracked your knuckles before, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this quickly. Inside your joints is a slippery liquid called synovial fluid filled with tiny gases. When you bend or stretch your fingers, pressure forms bubbles in the fluid. When those bubbles collapse, they create that popping sound. Now, how many times did I say knuckles?